Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be painting this birdhouse, which is great for gifts to give to another. Or if you have children, it's great to do it with them as a fun activity. Hope you guys enjoy this video. So let's get started. The materials I'll be using are some paint. Here I have some acrylic or poster paint, but you could use the paint you want. You could also buy these little packs that comes with a variety of colors, but today I'm just going to be using separate bottles of paint. You'll also be needing some paint brushes, of course, to paint it on. I'm using a lot of different sizes. You'll also be needing some water, a little plate to put your paint on. I have some gloves and a paper towel in case it gets messy, and you will also be needing something to put on your table so your table won't get messed up. So let's get started onto painting this birdhouse. The first thing that I'm going to be doing is picking my paint and pouring it into these plates. So I'm going to do red and yellow. You don't have to use all the colors of the paint. You could just take the primary colors and then mix those colors to make other colors that you want. These are going to be for the sides of the house or the bird house. So I'm going to move these over and I'm going to pick my paintbrush. I'm going to be using this one. So I'm going to color or paint these sides. First I'm going to start off with this side, and it's going to be a pattern, so like red, and then yellow. First I'm going to take my red, like that, and just paint it on. You can do any pattern or design if you want on your birdhouse. Probably going to need more red. And on the top of these, I'm going to paint them different colors. And I think it'll look super cool. I'm taking more paint and start painting the bottom right there. And this bottom right there, I'm going to paint it a different color after the red one dries. And yes, there is some on the sides. I'll probably do like red, yellow, and then another red, and then this front is going to be a different color. There we go. Now I'm going to do this side red again. Now I'm just taking my different colors and adding more so I could paint the roof. So here I'm just adding some red. And I'm going to make pink by mixing red and white. And I have enough of these brushes to give one to each color. So I'm going to make my last one, which is red and white. Pour some red, just a little, and then a little bit of white. There we go. And let's mix that to make it turn into a pink. And if it's not pink enough, you could always add more white. I'm creating pink. Oh, there is my pink that I'm going to be using. So first I'm going to paint my red on one of the sides. I'm going to start off by this side or the back. Yeah, I think I'm going to start off right here. So we're just going to take some red paint. There we go. And the top. That might be hard to get. And again, it doesn't really matter if I paint these sides a little because I'm going to color it a black color. So the color won't show that much. That is as much as I could get to the top. So I'm just brushing it down. Now I'm going to do some orange. The next color I'm going to do is yellow. If you want, you could do orange by mixing red and yellow. There we go. So I'm already done with the yellow. And I'm going to move on to my green. I think I might do my green a little bit lighter than this color. Let's just see. Yeah, I'm doing it a lighter color. So I'm going to do my green a lighter color just by adding some white, just a little. Mixing that. Is that good? Let's see. Yeah, that's better. I'm going to start doing it green. And here I have a smaller brush, so it might be easier just to paint on in the corners. I'm already almost done again. This brush I'm going to start cleaning off to do this part, which is very little. So I'm just dip that into water and leave it. Next, I'm going to do blue. And just do the tippy top right here. There we go. Now we are going to do some purple. Let's see if it's too dark. Yeah, I'm going to do it a little bit more lighter since all the other colors are vibrant by adding some white. That's good. I'm just going to mix that. There we go. And I'm going to start painting it. Next, I'm going to do some pink, which is my last color for the sides. I really like this pink because it looks like a bubblegum pink. That is my last color. So now we have the whole little rainbow on the sides. Now what I'm going to do is take my brush that I used for the green one, clean that in some water, and move all the other paints to the side. I could use all the extra leftover paint to paint my other birdhouse. I'm gonna dry it off. Oops, still green. So I'm just mixing that until it's not green. So I brushed off all my green from this paintbrush. Now I'm just going to take some black and put it next to the green on the plate. And just take a little, it doesn't take that much. So I took some black paint. Take some of that and start painting it on the roof. Now I am finished painting my birdhouse, and this is how it looks. And I also painted the bottom black. This is my birdhouse. Stay. There we go. That's my birdhouse.